How to verify your payment after you might have successfully sent your money to the account which was provided to you by remitter on the IPO portal. So let's go straight into how you can get to do that so that you'll be able to move to the next stage of your registration. So anytime you send money, probably sometimes network always fluctuates, network always fuck up. So what you need to do is to just close the particular stage of where you have sent the money and make sure you have already sent the money and you've copied your ID number. So it is that ID number you are going to use for your verification and confirmation so that your work or the job you are doing is going to move from awaiting payment to awaiting search. So that is when you know that yes, your work has been done successfully. So I'll be taking us through how we are going to do that in this video. So let's go straight into it. So right now we want to verify our payment since that thing has been loading. So what you need to do is to just close the tab that you are using, then you will log in. Once you get to this interface here, you can see it say trademark applications. This trademark application, click on it and it will load up. You are going to see all this, then you come to that one that you made payment for, which is this. Tick this box at your left hand side, click on it, let it show color just like this and click on next. It will take you down to this place where you are going to see all the details about the company that you are trademarking, from the trademark title to the applicants to the correspondence details and the attachment. Everything will be showing right here. Then you come to this application history, click on this application history. You are going to see this is Tuesday 21st of July 2026, new application. This is the payment ID and beside it is the application status, which is showing awaiting payment. So what you need to do is to come to this place where you have your payment ID and long press on it for you to copy your payment ID on your clipboard, or you copy it and paste it somewhere, or you write it out, because that is what you are going to use to confirm your payment that did not go automatically on the portal. So after the verification, this is the confirmation stage of your registration. So copy that payment ID to your clipboard and come down to where you have your awaiting payments. Come here and click on more. Then you click on verify payment. It will load up and you are going to see your confirm payment slip here. Click on it, let it confirm your payment, and boom, application updated. So your application has been updated. So with this, you can see it says application updated. The payment has been confirmed successfully. So your payment for your trademark registration has been confirmed successfully. You can click on close and then you'll be seeing that your application status will change to awaiting search from the awaiting payment status stage that it was before you confirm the payment. So you can see now it has changed to awaiting search because it has confirmed our payment. Now we have awaiting search. With this now, all you need to do is to wait till an insider work on your trademark registration. So once it has been attended to from the office, then you are good to go. The status of your application will then move from awaiting search to awaiting examiner, which I will be showing us in our next video. But before then, you need to come down to this particular place where you have print document, so as for you to be able to print your acknowledgement letter from this particular spot where my arrow is pointing to. You are going to click on it and download your acknowledgement letter, which has already been ready for you when you had confirmed the payment that you made. For you to send it to your client, or for you to make use of it if it is your own, either for your NAFDAC registration or for your son registration, or any other thing you want to use it for. So I believe right now you can now verify your payment all by yourself, even if the portal was fluctuating while you made the payment successfully. So if this video has taught you one or two things, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also feel free to join the family. Subscription is free. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any question to ask, drop your question in the comment section. And if you need help with your trademark registration for easy and fast access, feel free to use the link in the description to reach out to me to get it done for you. Or if you need a one-on-one class, you are free to send me a message using the link in the description box. So in our next video, we'll be looking at how we can print out the trademark documents. Yes, so stay tuned as we go into that. Thank you. I will see you in the next video, because I don't want this video to be too long. Bye for now.